To send Bitcoin from Bluewallet, start by opening the app and ensuring you are on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Send tab, usually represented by an arrow icon. Before proceeding, make sure you have a sufficient balance in your Bluewallet to cover the transaction amount and any associated fees. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so double-check all details before confirming the transaction. Next, enter the recipient's Bitcoin address in the address field. You can either type it in manually or scan the recipient's QR code if available. Be cautious when entering addresses, as a single mistake can result in lost funds. After entering the address, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount in Bitcoin or your local currency. Bluewallet will automatically calculate the equivalent amount based on current exchange rates. Choose the transaction fee, which determines how quickly your transaction will be processed by the Bitcoin network. Higher fees result in faster transaction times, while lower fees may take longer to confirm. Review your transaction details, including the recipient's address, amount, and fees. Once you are satisfied that all information is correct, confirm the transaction. Bluewallet will then broadcast your transaction to the Bitcoin network for verification. It is crucial to keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are subject to network congestion and may take time to confirm. You can track the status of your transaction within the Bluewallet app or using a blockchain explorer to ensure the security of your funds. Always keep your Bluewallet and device up to date. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication when available. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely send Bitcoin from your Bluewallet.